and we are having a topic called as new feature with this new evidence, simple example on evidence. Um, After that, and some more examples, whatever I'm giving is not like pin to pin point like C sharp ma. Because we will have more type of theory concepts and like something, and please make a note what are the things which you want me to explain, like theme concept I'll give you, theme and scheme, and what you are expecting some more outputs from me ma, on what examples. You just make a list.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll open one new application. We'll go with SQL Server first because I'll let you know one simple example. Yeah. Already I have created one table with SID and SNAME.
Okay.
Okay. Now today I'll show you how to insert values into this with the help of after creating data into this SQL Server. Syntax is create procedure. For example, I'll make it as sp underscore insert is my procedure name. Insert values.
SP is a procedure name.
Pardon me?
SP is a procedure name that you have given.
Yes, insert values, yes. Insert values is my procedure name. Iterate, name, and what type is this we need to give here. Varchar of some NO20. After that, as begin insert into table name. Which table? Student values. Okay. Iterate SNO. Iterate yes name or normal name. Okay. Now and if I successfully completed, right? After creating stored procedure, what you need to do is simply you can give, right? Here in itself I can give like 3 comma single quotes, right? Varchar. Then for this I'll give some Ravi. Or else with @rate is number. Oh, okay. It is not executing this one. Yeah. Store procedure is created. So what I'll do is I'll try to explain with .NET application how to insert values into this with the help of stored procedure. Because if I select, how many values are there? 2, right? Let me come here. So, new website. ASP.NET website. The thing which is left for you is JavaScript, how to implement JavaScript in ASP.NET and web services. That is also a simple topic, but it is important topic. Okay, and you just come with any topics you have. If you have left with, I need to cover some more. I will give you one great functionality. Sorry, ma. One great functionality, one great which will have insert, delete, all DML operations. It will be easy for you. Edit, update, delete, cancel, all those things. Insert also. It will be easy for you so that every transaction will be under one grid.
Okay.
So that DML you will have a good on that. Why web config? What happened? What I have taken? Website only, na? The website. I have taken empty website. Oh. SP website. SP application. SP1.
In real time also we need to write these store procedures on our own, or we can ask.
Depends on our project. No, they will have a list of things because as how we will handle this already will be there. Some modifications we need to, and depends on our project
Okay.
mostly. No need to take any worry because initially it depends upon your project. But what you need to do is the thing how I'll explain you. Toolbox, textbooks one. After that.
And do we need to do join tables like that stuff?
Joins are like we never control that because views we will do with main with multiple concepts only, with stored procedures. Joins that are all DML if you that comes under SQL Server, right?
Yes, yes, that's all. Okay, only DML operations we are
DML
going.
and PL stored up to stored procedures is enough for ASP.NET.
Okay. Okay.
Nothing. I'll let me write this code and I'll explain you. Label as ID. I'll name it as txt sid. Yes, name. Txt. Yes. Okay. After that, Control C. Yeah. I'm not passing anything here. Okay. Uh, for what I'm passing, it's not a command type. What type of command I'm passing? Okay. Command type stored procedure. Store store. Okay. Direct table like that. Whatever you want, you can select here.
Table direct means can
What ma?
table direct. There is a option table direct, right? So
Direct table. Yeah. Command text equal to your stored procedure name here. What is your stored procedure name? See, control V. After that, every column should pass as a single parameters. Now I am performing was add. What was that ma which you have given in SQL thing? These you need to pass. @ s number, comma, OLE, DB type dot what type of thing it is, integer. Okay, where you are giving that value, where you are giving equal to txt sid dot text. You know what is the use of trim of method I said you. Remember?
yes, yes. It will trim the
If I'm giving it the random space, it won't consider space.
okay.
Execute non-query is used for DML all procedures. If you want, you can put response.write values inserted like that now. Okay, that is up to us. Debug the application. Already, how many are there here? 1, 2, right? 3 tabs and something, some text. Okay.
Okay.
Nothing now. What I haven't taken anything. I have taken stored procedure name. With there I have connected to the table. Okay. With that, in that I am able to insert. Nothing to worry. Every stored procedure will have the same command. Only the thing changes is this parameters. With those many, how you can recognize that application by seeing your C hash means which has parameters. Okay, and the command type class stored procedure, and for that command type cmd I am passing as a text what I am passing stored procedures name, what are the values you are having, what are the things you are having, like depends now. If you're using SQL connection here you'll get dot int not integer. You remember all those things. You
Oh,
got my point, right? But if I can use in system.sql.client, here instead of integer I'll get int.
oh, okay.
Okay. And have you tried that web configuration file I have given connection string?
Yes, yes, I have tried that. And can we
Yeah,
use
you,
this
you,
connection string everywhere? I mean, in this application also?
yeah, this also. Instead of this connection string, everywhere, here I'm providing, right? Those you can use. You try.
Why do we use that? I mean, um, is it accessible to every project in the, um, I don't
See,
know, how
what
do
I'll
we
do,
use?
you are asking why we are giving connection string in web config file.
Yes, yes.
Why? Because um, uniformity. I'm showing you single applications, but see in my real time also we will give here only. Why? Because instead of making connection string multiple times from a single page, it will be more problem for redirection on the server, right? For example, if we are going for groceries, we'll get all the things or we'll get one by one.
Okay, all the things. So,
You got
we
my
can
point?
use, yes, we can use that in every project.
We can use that. We are giving a connection string to the single in a single web config file, and from there single connection string will connect to every page wherever you are required.
Okay,
So from the database, instead of single page connected to the server, only web config file will make a connectivity. From there we can get it out.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Hmm. And I'll give you some evidence example also. It is like a combination of all the things which relates to the mm, which relates to. I'll copy this for you. You can make a note of this. I'm copying here full. Anyway example I'll give you now. Uh, View Solution Explorer. Where is solution? Yeah. Open in folder. These are all the latest because 4.0, 5.2 latest. These are all the things they are achieving to some purpose kind of thing. Like yesterday I tried with one thing. Let me explain you that. Uh, Let me take one button control. Amazon. You will get one .sln function. From there we can generate. That's what I was checking because you're not able to open web pages, right?
Yes.
We will get one SLN file extension. For that I'm checking for you. Extension should be .sln. Why it's not generating? Let me wait. Because for the stored procedure also I'm not getting. Let me wait. Here or here? Open in folder. Yeah, this one. Okay. What I'll do is now stored procedure application, right? I'll close the stored procedure application here. Yes. Okay, and from here, you double click more. The whole page has been opened. You try now parallelly because it will be tough for you. You open one. Okay, now go for View Solution Explorer. All the files are loaded. See, you got my point?
Yes.
Are you clear? Hmm?
Yes.
Now you can execute. Again, it will come out. I'll close it. Let me close this. You want me to show that on console application, or you'll try on your end?
Console application.
Like evidence example I have given, right? Fine,
Yes.
I'll give you.
Oh,
It's not a big problem. Yeah, I can give you project. Setup and deployment I need to try because low versions also they are not supporting now because I need to get a setup file like template. Then only I can show you deployment.
oh,
Because if the Microsoft I don't know like last month itself I have given training in my company that template was there and I have shown you how to deploy that. We'll get I think it no, not here. But template is, can you check in your version if it is, well, I have checked in your version also, 2013 also, but now it's not supporting.
which template will you?
We'll get here if I select Visual Studio Solutions, right? It's very busy. Let it come down. It has been stuck, it seems. Like I'm taking Windows Form, C Sharp, C class library, like that, we'll get one setup template here. I think they have given an enable install limited edition. I don't know, something they are stopped, I think. Maybe they are
Oh,
giving. I'll try in low version also, like 2010. Let me check it out. What version you have? 2013, right?
yes.
But last month itself, I have said. I don't know this month what happened. October, Sep September, October, right? I have given August end and September first week.
Oh,
Like this, we'll get templates, ma. See,
okay.
these are all different templates, right?
Yes. Yes.
We need to get setup template here.
Okay.
That will be under setup and deployment. Why they are not, they have stopped, I don't know. Let me check it out.
Okay.
Or else if you have any uh, YouTube video also I can send you. I'll take one console application now. Evidence example. This is related to, I have given some how to create our own assemblies, right? You remember?
Yes.
Hmm. We are having a separate namespaces. Nothing but we can create all these things because you know, right? How we can create all these things. I have shown you.
Console application.
Type is the class which contains by this type, my type, of which we want to get rid of, where you want to get, I want to get it into some big int, whatever I have created variable dot get type of. This is the class with which example we are getting assembly. My assembly is my variable equal to assembly dot get assembly. You need to pass your type ma. Evidence because we are getting already right? Slash R means next line concept like same C++. I enumerator I need to use because count wise. I enumerator I equal to my evidence dot get enumerator of. Whenever you're using I enumerator, we need to use while loop because it will move next line by line. Like
Okay.
maximum will, if you're using means maximum while loop we'll need to use because we need to keep that particular thing in move next. Means it will move line by line until and unless the count goes on. Console dot write line I dot current.
In real time, do we need to use try catch block in every project?
Yes, maximum will use.
Okay.
Not maximum, but if you are stuck with some anything, then default will go with try only because where we can trace the thing with easily. Simple some output you will get. Write down console dot read line. Why it's going on? Not stay. What are the assemblies you are using? Internal part of output we are getting with this. As of now, 6 evidences. To get the detail, I have stopped there. Read off, you can keep it out. And after this, you can read line. 6 evidence. Or control dot read off, you can write here, not read line, because the statement has been closed there itself. Okay, what is the version, get install security? All these related, some stuff related of that. Okay, you can use read line here. Read off. Again it comes back. Okay, I have used right line of what? I need to use right and lastly right line, right? Oh, no, exception is different. Yeah, this is correct only. Okay, where is the path which I have shown you? Websites. Packages. I have created on theme and skin. Let me view. Yeah. No, cancel. Sorry. Seema, I have taken one default page, one new website. Okay, I'm explaining you theme and skin with the help of styles. So in this type, I have given some board number. What you need is take one new website. By default, you'll get one web page, right? After that, what you need to do is go for website, add new item. If you are taking skin file, because you'll get app themes also by default. With this folder only, it will give you. We need to add. You need to say yes. Okay. After that, come for create one .css file in this path itself. I have given some logic. Whatever you want, you can give them a 4 color. All those things you can, font family, whatever you want, you can give here. Okay, font family equal to bold, whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want, you can just give. After that, first you open new website. Okay, go to website, add new skin file, so that app themes folder and the skin folder will come automatically with the skin file. Okay, after that, right click on this, create one .css file, write whatever the code you want. After that, come to skin file. See here, I have named it as skin ID as special text box. Means I'm showing you application level, not in a single file. On that I have tried with only one web page. You remember? So I have kept all these things in dots. If I'm making it as a skin ID and class file as text special box, only whenever I'm coming to here default page. Okay, for those I'm using enable theming equal to true, then this particular thing will be applied. First go to skin file, from there it will come to dot class file. This style is applied to the text boxes which id, which property is having enable theming equal to true. If you can place one more text box without, don't add this property enable theming, then it won't be, it will be a normal text box. Still it's not yet applied. Wait. Theme equal to id tag we need to remove. Yes, I'll do that. Still not applicable. It is. It's not coming properties. We'll go for design. Yeah. This I'll continue in the next class because yesterday it was working and today it was not working. Let me try for more from my end. And please come tomorrow. Like I said earlier to Ganesh also, I have my brother's engagement on Sunday.
Oh,
So yeah. So tomorrow he's coming from US. I need to pick up him early morning hours. Uh, on, so Thursday today we have done with thing. Let me check if I have anything missed. Uh, so Saturday, Sunday, it's very tough to take. So we'll have a session on Monday.
okay.
Okay, and please come up with the thing. Whatever I have left for you is the topic is only these type of things. Edit JavaScript and web services and theming and theme and skin also. I'll show you output. Today it's still not working. And come up with any topics missing if you're I'll give you the examples on that and come up with your doubts on Monday. We'll have one more 3 to 4 hours session again. More sessions from ASP.NET. And I'll plan for deployment also. Why it's not coming, let me ask from my IT guys also. Because
Okay.
for you also it's not coming, right? I
Yes.
thought maybe my system, but I'll check in my personal laptop. If it has any template, I can show you deployment there now.
Okay.
Anything more you are expecting, like topics, you just have a glance on that, whatever I have said. Make a list if anything is missing, and make sure like whatever I have shown you, like I haven't shown you output, so that I can give you.
Okay. No,
Yeah,
I'm just wondering about XML data, but
yeah. XML data, right? We have,
yes,
and you're not able to open it, right? We have
yes.
worked on it, right? I didn't remember which was that example. What I have given, I didn't remember the name actually. Otherwise, I would have shown you here. Are you able to create XML file?
No, that's what I'm
Uh,
saying. It's not recognizing that path I have given.
what, ma?
It's not recognizing the path.
Okay, yeah, let me. You just have you given simple what assembly reference? I was not able to get on that day itself also, right? This output
Yeah.
because let me. I can show you this now. No, I think in C colon I have shown you the output, ma. This one. Yeah, this we have created, right? But my issue was what primary key, foreign key
Yes,
constraint.
yes.
Hmm.
Sure.
That have you done properly in your thing?
Yes, I did that.
Because
I did.
already XML data. Yeah.
Yes, I did that properly, but I couldn't get that
What
XML.
was the error? Can you share your screen so that I can look at it? Only this differs, ma. Or else what you can do is you create a new file, open as folder. We'll have option, right? Open in folder, so that you'll get exact path. Open in browser. Open with browser. Copy that thing. Okay, copy this and paste there in your program. Okay,
But I couldn't get
sometimes,
the file.
pardon me.
I couldn't get that file. I mean XML file.
No, we are creating new file from here. You got my point?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I
You're not
couldn't.
able. Can you share your screen?
It is throwing an exception.
Yeah, share what type of exception have you kept try block?
Or
Fine,
it is
give me.
recognizing the path.
Share your screen.
Yeah,
Oh.
the control.
One more thing I'll give you, ma, because either edit delete option, if I can give you, all the DML programs will be for you in one application. So that all DML EDL will come in one application. It will be easy for you.
Okay.
Some simple store procedures means I'll try to give one more, but one is because that is common to the thing whatever you are giving. Add parameters, command text. We need to call that object. That's common. Simple. And please, these 3 days, please do practice. If you have stuck with any application, please make it on list and mail to that Ganesh so that he'll forward me. And I'll execute those also from your end if you want.
Okay.
Share your screen. Shall I think I need to give share, right? No. Yeah, I have given access now. What type of exception is coming?
Are you able to see my screen?
Not able to view open anything. I got that some citrus literature. Now viewing Pranita's screen. Yes, open it. Yes, I'm able to open it.
You said we can open from here, right?
Yeah, View Solution Explorer. You remember the path?
Uh,
Or else open any programmer, any program. Or from there you can, if you remember the path, it's will be. Or else copy. Shall I copy paste there? If you remember the direct file name, it will be easy.
yeah, I just do XML data.
This is XML application only.
No, no, no.
So what you do is right click here on solution file, go up, somewhat up, not there, not there. No, no ma. Scroll up below. Now right click on solution error settings.
Oh, here only, okay.
In the solution explorer. Go up ma. Scroll up, more up. Yeah. Right click, which is blue color, right? Right click on that, open file in folder. Don't do that. Right click, open. Go somewhat back to projects. So because so that you may get no, go for projects here in the path. Yeah. Select. You remember right? XML. You open that. Go for back solution. That is not solution file. That is XML data.
Okay.
Go for projects. Click on project. Yes, there where my cursor is there. in the address bar, this PC documents Visual Studio 2013. Yeah, click on projects. Projects next tab. Yes. Now you open XML format.
Mm.
Wi-Fi solution is not. Click on XML data. That one. Yes.
Okay.
Open that. Yes. Okay. Go for C colon ma in your system. After that, C colon, directly C colon, computer C colon. Yeah.
Mm.
Check whether any EMP file data is there. Okay, fine. No, no thing. Yeah. What you can write is after ds2.write XML, you can come to dot editor. Yeah. You can response.write file created. You can pass one message. Enter response.write response.write in the brackets. Write down double quotes file created. And one more thing. The data, whatever the transaction you are doing, that data will be, file will be once, and data will be updated on the same XML file. That you remember here. That you need to remember here. Now you execute, we'll say. They're not listing for you also. You got previously those numbers into that?
No.
Okay. Um, close this. Come to dot editor, coding window. Go for .cs file, coding. Put breakpoint at connection string object.
Connection.
Select, is that correct only? Department from DEPT, all those things, copy paste.
Yes. Yes. Copy paste.
Column names like that. Put breakpoint
Yes.
whether it is equal to correct or not. Okay, is data set right? Okay, so there won't be a connector. After this, OLEDB connection, put one response.output connect. After OLEDB connection, next line ma response.write connection created, connection established properly. In the next line, write down, enter response.write, write down connection established, connection okay, anything. So that will you should know, right? Semicolon. Put a breakpoint and execute. Where you'll keep means at the connection string object. No, put it dataset D1. Next line.
The adapter.
Yes, at the adapter D1. F5. Now you stop debugging and again save. Save all. Yellow. No, that is not save, right? Save, which is stop debugging. Yeah, come to your data. Click on red button. Stop debug.
Okay.
Write down in the catch, first of all. Catch. Response.write. ex.message in the brackets. We'll see what type of exception it comes. Not in double quotes. Not in double quotes. M capital message. Okay. Now you execute. Save all. Save. Save. mm, Save all. Execute.
Access to path is what.
What ma?
Access to
What
path.
was? Select DPT from. What was the error? Put it in D1 object. D1 object. Put the cursor at D1 object on the cursor line here.
Yes.
D1. At D1 is there, right? On the line. Put the cursor over there. Yeah, your cursor over D1 object. Go forward. D1 in the wherever your yellow color line, put at D1 your cursor.
Yes.
Yes. It's not coming. It's null, right? Again, you put right click there. Right click at the D1.
Okay.
Go to quick watch. Quick watch. Yes. We need to get connections. It is coming null. See. Expand the D1. Small rectangle symbol is there. What you do is go to 1.udl and create and successfully copy paste that here.
You want me to
Close
do?
this. Close this. Stop debugging. Okay, now what you do is go to OneNote on desktop. Yeah, right click. You just check whether it got succeeded or not. Okay, now copy. Wait, are you going with username and pass? Okay, window end, correct only. Now okay. Okay. Now open with Notepad and copy that and paste it here. We'll see. Copy the third line full. Copy.
Put one backslash here. That's what.
Yeah, it will come. First it will give one more backslash. Semicolon. First, why connection is broken? Now again put breakpoint at D1, third line. Save all. Put the cursor at connection string, ma. First line CN. Put the cursor over there. First line CN, yeah. Is it coming? Expand that arrow or not arrow, like triangle, yes. My status is closed. Hmm. Press F10. F10 key on your keyboard. Okay, now put the cursor as D1. As of now, it has still it's coming now. Okay, write down the next line. Instead of data adapter, write down OLEDB command. We'll go with connection app thing. Not managed. We'll go with unmanaged again. Go. Stop debugging. Because why it's not getting. Go for last, no?
Last.
Last line. Why that is correct only. Why still it's not going? I'm not able to get it. Have you given anything in web config file? No, right?
No, no. I didn't get it.
All these applications you try with web config file.
Okay.
It has to load to grid view. After binding grid view, then the file will read. First it will create a file in the above, write XML. After read method, then it will read.
Mm. And some of the
Yeah.
other application also, when we use ePost calls, some of other application also failed, right? Another
What
day.
ma? Yeah, you are confused about T's postpack?
No, 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 no. I'm saying that some of the other application also went wrong when we used this ePost bank.
What application? That's what in my whatever I have shown you. You are talking about that.
Yes, yes. I forgot the application, but I'll
Hmm.
say.
Yeah, you just make a list by Monday because anyway 3 days are there now. If possible, I'll let you know. My if possible for me, I can take a class on Saturday morning. Let you know because not sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm, integrated provided. First, why it's coming? Why data is not loading? DS1 equal to new data set. Okay. Put one line at that line. Okay. Select DEPT from DEPT. Go for SQL Server of your editor. Copy that DML command and paste there, ma. You got my point, right? Whatever I'm saying. Wherever you have kept breakpoint, go for new query. Wherever you have kept
Mm.
breakpoint, go for that. Yeah, selected line, dotted editor. Uh, Select DEPT. Whatever you have string you have given, copy that and paste it here. Save. Select DEPT and go. DEPT. Execute this query. Execute this there. Yeah. Again, copy same thing and paste there. We'll save once again. Semicolon. Or else Clear the cache browser cook history and again execute. Yeah, now you check F10. Now press F10. Now you put the cursor at D1. D1. Now you check. Expand. Expand again. Base. Expand. Expand. It's not coming over. You got any numbers into that?
No.
Table mappings. Yeah. Base. Again down base. I need to get values here.
Oh,
10, 20, 30. Then only those values as of now we need to get into D1 object. Go back. Yeah, now again put D1 object. Again, as of now, whatever you did, you expand that. Wait. Whatever I have selected, put it select command. Expand select command. Yes. Values have come. Command text still you have given select command time mode. No. Wait. Values has to come here. Okay. Right click at D1. Now put quick watch. Like this, we need to do debug.
okay.
Expand the drill down. Yeah, D1 object. Yes, select that one. Add watch. Okay. Name, value, type. Values are not loading. That's the problem. Execute now. F5.
Start the game.
Close it and execute. Up. F10. Press F10. F5 again. Close this. Clear the cache later. F10. Again F10. F10. F10 again. Yeah. Now put the about DS1 object above line. DS1. Yes. Below.
This one?
See, count is 0. Now count should come 3, right? Because your values are 3 in database, I think.
Count is 0.
Expand base. Because count is 0 now. Count should come 3 values, right? I think in your SQL server 3 lines are there.
Yes.
It's not coming. You try with connection object, ma. C and dot open off. Instead of OLEDB data adapter, try with command. You try from your end.
I tried with that one also.
What, ma?
I think I tried that one.
Or else select after set object, you make it as where you are writing this is in page load, right? Stop debugging. Make each post back equal to fall true. We'll see. Maybe that may be. Have you executed?
I tried this one.
You tried in this way also. What you try is in page load itself. You after department number, put what grid view and try one. Because all the department numbers instead of combo box you add to one grid view.
instead of on the
After what you do is after data d1, right? Like end after third line of your code breakdown, press enter.
yes sir.
Third line, yeah, wherever your breakpoint is there. Next line you write down. Next line only you write down now. Enter, write down. Enter. Yes. Grid view one dot. No, no, not here. After. Wait. Grid view one dot. Write down. We need to fill that into the grid view one dot. Data source equal to data source equal to where is your object? Uh, Copy these two lines above grid view data one below these two lines. No, yeah, below these. No, no, above those two lines. Above
Yes sir.
grid view after data source is there, right? Uh, before before that you write down enter before grid view one dot enter.
Before grid view
Yes, enter. No, no, before only before that line. Before that line. First go for home grid view one. Go for the first starting point of this line. Enter, enter. Now go for above line, space line.
okay.
Yeah. Now what you copy is these two lines of code is there, right? Data set ds1 equal to new data set of d1 dot fill ds1 dot dept. Copy those two lines and paste there. Copy, Control C, Control V. Now write down grid view one dot data source equal to what you need to know.
Schedule.
Data source equal to what you need to write down. ds1 dot tables dot dept dot tables in the brackets, square brackets, right? Double quotes, square brackets, double quotes, write down dept. Yeah. Now from the next line onwards, comment all the code, semicolon, comment all the other lines of code. Let me load the data first into, yeah, all
All of these.
all of the other code, because let me load first dept numbers into grid. Whether it is working, then we can go further. Stop debugging, save all. Now you execute. Grid it's not loading. Okay, go for this property is my drop down auto post back equal to true. You made it as, I think that is the issue. But go for design view. But that is not at all issue because go for default design view. Stop debugging. Go for drop down list properties auto post back equal to true. Default what is that you check? Make it as ulta for that. Make it as default it was true. Make it as false. Because now is post back you have made it as true, right?
Yes.
Save and execute. No, nothing is there in grid has to load by default here in the page load because we have binary grid view, right? Have you set any properties for grid view, ma? No, right?
No. Oh,
Mm.
I don't know.
Yeah. Where is your grid? Design view.
I'm waiting for project to come.
I'll close the session here itself, ma, today because it's 8:30.
Okay.
Okay. And please let you know if I can have a class. I'll take some team and some web services on Saturday. We'll see. I'm not sure. If anything is bad, I'll let you know by Friday itself if I'll take class on Saturday morning.
Okay.
Okay, Saturday morning means for you Friday night, right?
Yes. Yes.
Ah,
And do
or
we have
else,
test tomorrow?
pardon?
Do we have test tomorrow?
No, tomorrow I need to go him pick up my morning hours and I
Oh,
need
yes.
to come.
Yes. Tomorrow is
Wow,
test.
that's the thing I have start here. Saturday, that's what. Sunday is engagement. I don't know Saturday with what I will be busy. Not sure. That's what I'm confusing. And please on Monday, make a list of executed applications, non-executed applications, and come up with your topics, doubts. Anything is missing, I'll let you know.
Okay.
On the day, I'll max cover with theme and application because it's running now because I have cleared the cache of website. Theme is running now, but now I
Oh,
can't. Yeah,
okay.
that you try from your end also because anyway recording is there, right? That
Yes.
was not applicable for me because anyway I'll show you from my end also.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, and practice for the sessions like what you want topic and what you have left doubts, all those things.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, Pranita. Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because make 3 days, these 3 to 3 days fully occupied with applications and whatever doubts you have, any topics missing, any ASP data, you come up with some new topics if I have missed.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye for now.